cops can be really shitty when they want to.
So your face wasn't on it?
No. No,
What
we came back. We didn't. See, we left before the cops showed up.
Yeah.
When we were coming back to see how the party was going on, we were curious, you know?
Yeah.
Because we already had our money. We're out of there. I figured me and my buddy, Tony, we figured it was going to be busted. That's why we left.
And you guys already got it all.
And we already had a private little party going on for like 10 chicks and some other guys that were with the West High football team at a house that was like about 5 blocks away on South Union. So we went to that party with the homies and the babes, you know, and without all the noise and, you know, get naked and shit like that.
Yeah.
And then we leave there to come back and see how the party's going. At like 12:30, you know, we figured, well, it's fucking done, because we had 3 bands, bro.
Bands?
Three live bands. Yeah. We had it fucking, it was tight. Thing of cheers. So we're heading up Union, and like I said, I see all the fucking Christmas lights going. You know, it's not Christmas, bro. I mean, it's fall.
Did you take any girls home that night?
Oh yeah, fuck yeah, I took 3 home that night. And fucking did all 3 of them.
What?
Yeah.
At the same time, or just like?
Fuck yeah, all same time, same bed, man. My
No.
bed. Fuck yeah, because I don't buy the small bed. Queen size, king size, that's my bed, man. I like plenty of room when I sleep, and if I got a woman inside or a couple women inside, I like to be able to move around, play tag team from corner to corner.
Hell yeah.
You know? So fuck, we're coming up Union, and I'm driving, man. I had a Nova, a Chevy Nova, big V8, fast car, man. I had a suit.
Yeah.
You know, big tires, meats, fucking jack up in the back, fucking lowered in the front.
Yeah.
Engine had worked on, real fast engine, 350. We're coming up Union.
Wait, did you get...
My buddy Tony's sitting in the front.
Wait, did you get a lot of girls in that car?
Oh yeah, I had the 3 chicks in the back.
Tell me about the girls.
Yeah, well, that's relevant, because but we're coming up Union, going north, coming up from South Union, going north from where we just came from. I see all the fucking Christmas lights going. And I look at Tony, I said, man, it got busted. And he goes, yep, don't stop, turn around or come back and let's get the fuck out of here. So we go down far enough to where the cops are just, because they got both sides of Union shut off. Nobody was going, they were turning them back. From the side we were going, they were turning everybody back. From the other side of Union, they were turning them back. Because they had so many fucking cops. And we fucking could see it, man. Here come 2 vans and a fucking police flat.
What were the girls saying?
Girls were freaking out because they were there earlier. And they left to go to this little private party that a friend of ours was
With you?
from. Yeah, not with us. They left earlier in their own vehicle. Saying we hooked up with them at the party. Yeah. So we're all partying at this party, and let's go check it out. And you know, we're going to go to my crib and fucking really get down, you know?
Yeah.
Play some dirty games. And that's when we fucking seen this shit going down. We fucking turned it around. We're passing around doobies, man, inside the car. Not a good time anyway, you know? It smells like fucking Cheech and Chong, you know? So we fucking shoot out to my crib out in the west, near West High.
You took the girls, though, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right,
Oh, yeah.
all right.
I fucking... Tony's all fucking starting to fall asleep on me. We're doing a little bit blow and shit, me and the chicks. I got about 4 grams of coke with me.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm gonna be up a while.
Yeah.
So I fucking take Tony home. He lives out in the west too.
Hell yeah.
Didn't live that far from me. Say, hey dude, here you are. Kick out. Fucking as soon as he's out of the car, 2 of the chicks slide into the front. One of them's hanging on the seat, fucking stroking my cock. We get to my crib. I do all 3 of them that night. All fucking night long.
Damn. That's what's up.
Yeah, we made, not me,